this move here, this early attempt to break out. This was the move up above the 07s, just there. This was the phase of trade where you were looking for a continuation. This is where we thought, right, now the move's on. So I'll just bring you up a Bund ladder. And we'll get this playing. It is playing a little bit faster than normal. And there we go. You see that first little skip up? That's a reasonable sign. That could be where you're thinking, yes, we are going to get a progression higher. Trades 600 into the high, takes the market bid 10s. Again, this is looking pretty good straight away. Trade 11. What's a little bit worrying about that is we've traded a fair bit at 11, but not really been able to push on. We've not got the bid coming up, but nonetheless, we do still have the classic low volume on the breakout. So this at the moment is still looking okay for a continuation. Now trade 800 into 11s, and the offer's remaining. Little bit of a worry, but nonetheless, we're not trading back just yet. And there we go, quite an easy offer there. Sold into 10s, boom, offered. Not quite what you'd be looking to see if you're looking for a momentum type move. Nonetheless, if you are in, you've still got the scope to keep your stops down below the 07s, back into towards where the volume is. So we do potentially still have scope to move higher. Take 10 bid again, 11 bid reasonably easy. This again is where you start thinking, yep, there's a move on. But every single time it bids up, the offers reload and reload and reload and reload at the top. It's not having the type of move that you'd be looking for a continuation. On a continuation move, what you'd be looking for is, even if the offer reloads once, maybe twice, the next time it gets there, it takes the offer out, bid that price, starts to trade the next price. Whereas on this move here, what we're seeing is market trades up, the offer comes back and back and back and back, and the willingness to buy diminishes. There again, very easy to drop back down. This is not the characteristics that you'd be looking for on a momentum type move. And there we go, back up once more. So what it's doing is it's finding it very easy to just float between these prices. No one's taking initiative when we get to the top. No one equally is taking too much initiative on a move back down. And then here we go again, 11s trade, 11 bid. No one buys 12s. And the offer falls back down. So you see it, from a seller's point of view, they're finding it reasonably easy to stop this move. Done a fair bit of volume up at these prices. But if this was a move for a breakout, this is where you would have expected that 2, 3, 4 trades up to 12s, it should have broken. Someone should have traded when it got to 12s, taken the initiative, bought through 12s, started buying 13s if this is going to be a progressive move. And that's part of your indication that it's not. From the point of view of a bit of safety, you've still got your stop down towards those 6s. But this would be something where it's giving you a clue that this is perhaps not the move that you're really looking for. And should be something that you're perhaps looking to lighten your load on. Ultimately, the breakout is still at 18s. So even if this does start to pick up momentum, you can start adding on higher up. But at the moment, every time you start getting buying, it just runs out as it gets higher. And this is exactly the situation of what I put as no momentum, no trade. If you're looking for a continuation, if you're looking for this burst higher, you're not getting it. And this is where you have to say to yourself, okay, nothing doing here. This is not the trade. Whilst technically it looks good, whilst technically it is in the right place, it is not acting in the right way. Again, there we go, bid 12s. No one tries to buy 13s. Bid 12s again. No willingness to try and buy 13s. And the market goes offered once more. That's not the sign of a move that's breaking out to the upside. We've had numerous times that we could have had a go at it. Like I said, I was playing this on slightly quicker speed. So we've actually got through now 12 minutes of trade here, and there's still no ability to move higher. Not the type of move that you're looking for. When you do get the move up though, you see it, as I pointed out earlier, much higher volume. And on this move, you did get the move that I've shown you before, where it takes prices, bid, trades the offer, bid, trades the offer, bid, and keeps on pushing higher. That's what you want to see from a momentum type move.